We hear a lot about the inner child. We understand, right? For the most part, a lot of us understand that in the healing journey, it consists of going back to that child that was hurt, abused, traumatized, neglected, marginalized. We go back there and we do the work, right? And we bring that back into the present. And we say, okay, I am now peeling back these conditions and these layers of hurt so that I can now begin to heal. I get it. I understand that now. Right? Moving forward, and my podcast is called The New Earth Architects, right? It has a lot to do with building from a place of our nature. Most of our nature before the extreme conditioning over time lies within that inner child, right?